Hey guys, welcome back in my video Inside Hub, and this video I will show you how you can simply add Firebase to your Sketchware project. So for that I already opened my Firebase project, then I open my Firebase project and then click on settings, go project settings and copy your project ID, then copy your web API key and then copy your app ID. One is done, go on your storage and here you find your storage bucket URL, which one this, copy this too. One is done, come here in a Sketchware and on the project settings open your clipboard. Then you need to first paste your project ID, then paste your project or app ID, that is always contain the numbers. Then you need to set your web API key. So in my case, sorry, not this one, in my case it's this one. After that click next, click on storage bucket URL and here you need to paste your storage bucket URL. Click on next, click on saved and click on OK. Now you have successfully added the Firebase to your Sketchware project. Thank you so much for watching.